Hey, these are my cars. Yeah. And I have something new. This car. If you want this car, you just need to complete the quest. To complete 10 event challenges, and then you can claim this. And the car looks like that. It's pretty nice. And if you don't have any car good, you can use this. This car looks like this. I put this boost. It's pretty nice. So if you want to have this car, you just need to complete 10 event challenges, and then you can bring it to claim. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tutorials.